second year students. They made our costumes. They sewed our pants. They made our belts, the helmet.
Okay. Well, I must take a picture of you.
Oh, of course.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
What are you going to study?
We are studying
Biomedical
biomedical engineering. If you could please make a contribution, just a few years, doesn't have to be much. Anything you can spare.
And if I support you, you may sing a song for me.
No, but we can sing you.
We can sing you
We can sing Madrugada.
a song
We can
from
sing
our
you
course.
a college song. Do you like that?
typical freshman song.
Okay. Agora, vamos cantar em Madrugada. Ok.
Não,
Imaculada Senhora dos Bordéis, Bordéis, faz com que o vinho não se acabe nos tonéis, tonéis, e que a aguardente seja cada vez mais forte.